Good morning, everyone. Hope you are well and have a wonderful day. It's Wednesday, August 25th, 2021. It's around 10 am and the temperature is 26 degrees centigrade here in Yangon, Myanmar. Now I'm going to visit Rakhine Buddha statue at the Mahar Kayan Thich Sarshin Pagoda, North Okalapa in Yangon, Myanmar. This is Rakhine Buddha statue. It is one of the wonderful Buddha statue in Myanmar. Let's go inside the pagoda and see the atmosphere. It's a great statue of Lord Buddha. Buddhist followers come here for the worship. An ancient Rakhine Arakan manuscript, the Sappadana Pakarana, related that the Buddha Gautama came to Selagiri hill at the request of the Rakhine king. He had Indra and the divine architect Vishvakarman create an image in his likeness. This Mahamuni image was installed in a pagoda by that name at the city of Dhaniwaddi, and Rakhine became known as the land of the great image.
Penya Edit, Kula Rakhine. My master is Kula Rakhine. 19 2000.
The Buddha's hair flows smoothly upward into the rounded Ushnisha. The design is based on that of a 10th century stone stela in eastern India, is like that on votive tablets in the Fu and Mon areas. Thus, Rakhine may have been a conduit for styles from India. In the 15th to the late 16th century, Buddha statues were corpulent with square faces, eyebrows meeting over downcast eyes, a wide rounded Ushnisha. The period from the 15th through the 17th century saw the development of the cult of Amitayus, Vajrayana Buddhism's esoteric Buddha statues of infinite life. His attribute is a vase of the elixir of immortality placed on his hands positioned in the meditation gesture. Early bronze images of the crowned Amitayus follow closely the Sino-Tibetan style of the Yongli period 1403 to 1424. Later, the facial features became more localized in appearance and the royal jewelry more elaborate. Around the 17th century, a new type of crowned Buddha statues, which had a tall staff like Ushnisha and ornamental flanges at the crown's side, became popular. This style seems to have spread across the central area to the Shan state. Late in the century, images of Amitayus were created showing him with a tall crown of pointed leaves and seated on a throne flanked by what may be his two main bodhisattvas and sometimes with the earth goddess on the base. Large pink sandstone plaques of circa the 5th century found recently at Selagiri Hill and depicting in relief scenes from the life of the Buddha, Bear Gupta and Ajanta influence. Stelas of the same material and period at the Mahamuni Pagoda with bodhisattvas and other figures in relief give evidence of Mahayana Buddhism in the area. Quite windy day today. Some followers are praying to Lord Buddha for wellness of the universe. That's it from today's video. I hope you have enjoyed this update. Thanks for watching and see you in my next video.